Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're making slime and it's butter slime. So first, we'll open the box. If I can. Yay, I got it! Finally. Sticker. It's golden. So, scan it. Okay. So, this is the activator to make it buttery. And there's two different things. Glitter and glow in the dark. Which one should I use? I don't know which one should I use.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, or do you want me to close my eyes and pick?
This one.
Okay.
Oh, because I want to see you glow in the dark.
Okay. All right. Follow instructions.
So, first, you have to open it and pour it out in the bowl. Wait, I opened it. Oh, it's open.
That's the 5 ounce. Okay, yeah, so you dumped the whole thing.
It says 5 ounce.
Yep.
Took the whole thing. Whoa. I hate the ones that are like thick because it gets stuck to the bottle.
Oh, okay.
And the water ones don't.
Get out.
It's pooping.
Uh-oh.
Okay, we squeeze all the glue. Looks cool.
Well, most of it.
Yeah, we didn't do all of it. Okay, next it says my hair.
Shake the activator.
Shark.
Don't get your hair in the glue.
Need to shake it. If I can. Can you shake it? Yeah, she's shaking it. She's shaking it.
Okay. I guess I'll shake it.
Yeah, you shook it. I
Okay.
hear it. Okay, now you open it. Do you think it's gonna be thick or not thick?
This is butter slime, I say thick.
Yeah, I think thick.
Okay, so how many do you need? You need 3 teaspoons.
Second.
Yeah.
Ah.
1. 2.
2. Ah. Getting all over the place.
3. Alright. Now
This smells weird.
It does?
Yes.
Alright. Now, what you do? Mix.
The most part.
Mix. Mix.
It looks cool.
So stir until it becomes harder to mix.
It feels harder already.
Alright, ready?
It looks yellow. It's supposed to be yellow because it's butter slime. pick this color?
Because it was butter, you picked that color.
Yeah, have you ever seen peach butter?
Nope. Mix, mix, mix.
Blue butter.
Is it hard to mix?
No. Look shaky.
Because it says once it's hard, take it out and start doing it with your hands.
If I can still mix it. Yeah, it's not ready. Why did I do it?
Mix, 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 mix. Sound like you're cooking. Wish I was cookies. Wish I was real butter.
You eat it.
I know. Let's put some cookies or something.
Should I mix it?
With your hands.
I'm doing it.
Get in there.
Where should I put this? I'll just put it here.
In the bowl. Yeah, you put it there. Alright, let's knead it till you get butter slime. Ooh,
Oh my gosh.
don't break the table. Or the bowl.
How am I gonna do this?
Keep going. Does it feel satisfying or something? Is it getting thicker yet?
It's sticky. I think we put too much glue.
Yeah, it says you can add a little more active if you think you need more.
Do that?
Which one did you use? This one?
No, that one. I need active butter.
Alright, she added a little more activator.
Flash you.
Ooh.
All the slime are on my hands. Sticky.
Just keep kneading, just keep kneading.
Just keep mixing. Just keep mixing. It looks like butter now.
Is it starting to look like butter?
Look.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Why did it look like syrup at first? Why did I sign up for this?
Just keep going. It'll get off your hands eventually once it gets better. Trust the process. Is that what they say? How's it feeling? Is it thickening up?
I need more activator.
You think so? Little bit
Supposed to
more.
not be this sticky.
Whoop. Oops.
It's working! Thank you, Mom!
Okay.
That was actually, thank you. Absolutely. Do you see that?
What, it's coming off your hand?
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, sticking it up. Look at that.
Help.
It's starting to come off your hands a bit. A little bit. Don't forget about the ones in the bowl. Sticking it up.
Thank you for that.
Mm-hmm.
activator. Oh, I got some activator on my shirt.
Mm-mm-mm.
My shirt is gonna turn into slime. Getting the stuff off my hands. That's better. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, tiny slime. Ah,
Nose itchy.
itchy. Okay, let me do the ones that are in the bowl.
What?
Why did I do this again?
Don't you need to get all that in the bowl?
I know.
Okay.
Why is it so sticky? Oh, look, it's working. It's working.
It's working?
It's working.
Uh-oh, I see it.
I
I
need
see
more
it.
activator. Just one.
You sure? Get the
There.
stuff in the bowl first. Oh, let's see. You with the slime, not your hand. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I think it's coming together. Uh-oh. Is it finally butter slime?
I think it is. It's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. Whoa.
Is that how it's supposed to be? Or is it supposed to be thicker?
It's supposed to be like this.
Okay.
It's sticky.
It's sticky? Is it supposed to be that sticky? Or do you know?
Perfect.
Alright, let's see how this works.
Yeah, I just got unsticky right now.
Oh, did that quick?
Mm-hmm. See, it's not sticky.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Sometimes when you put activator, it doesn't feel like slime, but when you keep mixing it, it feels like slime.
Okay. Excuse you. Let's see. Let's see. Let's say stretch. Let's see.
Stretch it. Yeah.
Uh-oh. I think it looks like butter slime. What you think? Don't get stuck. You think it's good?
I need the spoon.
Oh, you trying to get every last bit?
Yeah, look, see? Even the spoon likes it. How am I supposed to hold this thing down? Oh.
Hey, don't touch your... It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I have no activator in my hair.
Careful.
Dang it.
Guess we should have got a plastic bowl.
Why? Every time you mix it, like ding, ding, ding.
Well, it's glass and you're using metal. See?
Metal, please stop.
It's okay. It's not breaking it. You think it's done?
Nope. You gotta get everything out of the bowl.
Oh, okay.
I'm tired of this. Here is the final design. So you just stretch it, and then you do this, and then you squeeze it. So you have to stretch it, do this, and then squeeze it. It's easy.
So now we want to see if it glows in the dark, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna go find a room that is dark and we're gonna see if it glows. Okay, we're going into the pantry to see if it glows. Are you recording?
Whoa! So cool!
That's so cool.
Wow. I never seen this. I don't know how it does this.
That's so cool.
I can just sleep in here and then it's just like a nightlight. And I can just drink water.
You see? That's so cool.
Bye guys, I'm done making butterfly. He broke. So, see you guys next time in my next video. Bye, like and subscribe.